Welcome to Detroit. Welcome to the best vegan food. Now we are stopping by Pie Side for some pizza. We decided we would eat out here on this beautiful back patio. So we got the cashew rules everything around me, which is garlic oil, vegan cashew cheese, mushroom, balsamic braised leek topped with citrus marinated kale, and raspberry emulsion drizzle.
It looks so good.
Yes, I think Lucas has to taste test this one.
I agree. Okay, here we go. Crust is awesome. The toppings are really cool. The raspberry is actually really good and interesting. It's a cool pizza.
I'm gonna taste test it now. Yeah, Lucas said it's a cool pizza. Good cashew cheese, crunchy crust. I think all pizzas from here are vegan. They have tons of vegan options, and pretty much any pizza they can make vegan, so a good stop. Now to get a baked good at Avalon. We went with the carrot cake slice.
You can't go wrong.
Can't go wrong. See how it is. Does it taste healthy?
Moist.
Moist? Oh, it is?
Mm-hmm.
Looks like it might be dry.
No, it tastes moist and it's delicious, and it doesn't have like that healthy taste either. Like it tastes good. I don't know. It even has like a fruitcake taste, which you know I love.
Yeah, but like you're getting a cake, so
Go for it.
oh my gosh.
The frosting's awesome. I'm a fan of the bakery.
It's a really good carrot cake. The frosting's really good.
I'm a fan. I'm gonna have some coffee with it for sure.
Yeah, we might have to stop by here again and see what else they have, because I think they change the baked goods all the time.
Sorry, I'm just going to town.
And for our next meal, we're headed to Street Beat, which is an entire vegan restaurant, 100% vegan. Okay, so we got the chicken parm sandwich. We got the Crunchwrap Supreme. We got these things called Liddy fries, and let me tell you, they look lit. That was a bad joke. There's sauce and Parmesan on French fries, and then for dessert we got this epic cookie dough donut. My gosh, that cookie dough chunk though. Looks amazing. I'm going to try the Crunchwrap Supreme first because everybody on every blog said this is what we have to get, so. Oh, very good. I think I have to get in deeper to get all the fillings. That's the classic crunch wrap, but
All the good stuff.
I like it because it has like fresh lettuce and tomato in it. You can't really see it, but very delicious. I'm gonna try a little bit of each one.
That's the one I requested. Am I gonna like it? Oh, now you're making me hungry.
Like, what is this?
It's deliciousy goodness. Well, that's a big bite. Go for it. Bomb.
I don't even know what's on this, but this is the best taste ever. It's the chili oil on this, Lucas.
I can't wait. You're just
so
making me
good.
hungry.
Their menu is rotating. Really good comfort vegan food. Really good, like, probably drunk food. So good. And for brunch, we are here at the Brooklyn Street Local. I got the tofu scramble and tempeh breakfast sandwich, not sandwich, plate. And Lucas got the banana walnut pancake. How is it? Delish?
And especially like given the effects of it over the past 20 years.
So, it was delicious.
Ugh.
I loved it. The pancakes tasted like banana bread, and the tofu scramble was very well seasoned.
Yeah.
It just like really hit the spot. It was a really nice brunch spot. I don't know if they do lunch. I think they only do brunch there. I'm not sure exactly, but very delicious brunch. My favorite thing about Brooklyn Street Local is the word local in their name. It's because they work with a bunch of local shops. So they work with like local bakeries, local bread shops, and they use that at their restaurant, which I think is really, really cool. Anytime like people are using the local stuff or like trying to do local, I love it. Okay, so next on our food tour, my hair's crazy, the wind today, is chili mustard onions, a classic Coney Island delicacy here in Detroit. Apparently like Coney Island hot dogs and chili cheese stuff is like classic here, apparently. I don't know. So we're gonna go to this vegan restaurant that apparently has a great one. I keep saying apparently. Yeah, apparently. So we're gonna go in and eat some delicious. We got the classic chili mustard onyons dog cider ranch. Lucas got the chili cheese waffle fries and the
Gyro. Or the gyro.
gyro.
Should I try this?
Yeah, try it. Oh snap, that looks good.
Oh, good. I haven't got ranch. Which I think will make it even better.
Chili cheese. That's delicious. I was eating more delicious. Just like Lucas said, it's like classic. Like, okay, fly. It's a classic honey dog taste you want. The vegan witches. Okay, so we are ending the vlog here at Cold Truth. I got sweet cream, blue moon, toasted coconut, and I don't know what else I got on mine. Lucas got the lavender chocolate twist, chocolate shell coconuts, Oreos, stuff like that. It's a vegan ice cream place, soft serve, but they have all kinds of different toppings. And we're gonna dig into this. They're super delicious. We've already tried it. It's really, really good. Highly recommend stopping by. Make sure to subscribe for more vegan food, travel videos, all that good stuff, and like this video if you liked it. We're gonna dig into this. You tried it in the vlog and you cannot. We're gonna dig into this ice cream and we'll see you next video. Bye.